Kia ora everybody. This is just an update after Christmas. Obviously we're back into it, middle of January. You can see a big digger behind me here, creating the foundation bed for the top terminal, top station of the new Express chair. So where I'm standing right now is the entrance to what is going to be cushion trail. As you hop off the top of the chair, you'll be able to swing right around underneath the top of the chair and hook out through here, opening up a lot of terrain on Sunrise Face. And if you look way beyond, you can see Sugar Bowl, just to get a perspective on where we are. I'm standing here at Tower 7 of 11 towers that are along the line of the chairlift. This still needs backfilling on it, but it just gives you the line sort of downhill and uphill. The top station, they're starting to put concrete down for site concrete, reinforcing, and then there's about 90 cubic metres of concrete to go in for the top station in the very near future. Right now I'm standing on Upper Calypso Trail, the extension that we put in this summer, so the chairlift's above me. If you look out towards the lookout, which a lot of people would be familiar with, but otherwise this trail now 20-25 metres wide, coming off the top of the chairlift, swings around into the existing Calypso Trail, heading on down the hill. It's going to be awesome. With this beautiful summer we've all been having, it's amazing how much progress has been made down here at the bottom station. We've got this main structure up for the terminal, for the station itself. In 3 weeks' time, when we talk again, there'll be a big shed alongside it for all the chair storage. As far as earthworks go, we're 3/4 of the way through that already. In another 2 months' time, we'll be standing up towers, and certainly a lot of the concentrated work will be at the top station through this next 3-week period, getting that up and running or getting the concrete in the ground for that. Progress is going good. We're enjoying summer. I hope you are too.